Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a subscription box all the way from the US, and it is singlesswag, and this is their April subscription box. So if you're new to singlesswag, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you're curious in seeing what's inside this box and you know everything there is to know about it, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So singlesswag is based in the US and they ship worldwide. Inside the box contains 7 to 8 products that range from skincare, hair care, makeup, fashion, stationery, jewellery, a bit of a mixture. I sort of look at it as a little mini FabFitFun that you don't get to choose your products. The cost of the box is $34.99, which works out to be around 27 UK pounds. Now there's free shipping within the US and shipping is calculated at checkout for the rest of the world. And I think for shipping and the box, it only works out to be around $39.99, which is good, which is really good. But this is about the 3rd or 4th box I've received. I tend to dip in and out whenever I see a box that I like the look of, and I've always managed to get a whopping 40% off the cost, so I end up paying about £24, £22, something like that. So if I can find any discount codes similar to that, then I'll pop them down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. And if you're concerned about customs, don't be. So far, all my boxes, I've had no problems whatsoever. On the back here, they've written out a customs declaration, and yeah, no problems, no problems. If there were custom charges, then I wouldn't get it. Now, you might be thinking, why have I gone for a subscription box named singlesswag when you may already know that I'm married and I have kids? Well, ignore the name, I just like the products. If you were to follow them on their social media sites, it's dedicated more to single ladies. So as well as this subscription box, you can buy a little mini one. It's called Singlesswag Petite, and it contains 3 to 4 beauty products, and it'll cost you $24.99. Plus they have an online store, so I think that's it as far as information goes. As I said, all links and everything can be found in my description. So let's get on to showing you what's inside the April box. So inside you've got a card, and it also gives you the value of the products. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. So it says here, don't be afraid to give yourself everything you've ever wanted. Relax, smile and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. There's 9 products inside this month's box, and it has a retail value of $235. So way above the 20 odd pound I paid for this box. And another thing as well, even though I have got an account with singlesswag, when I cancel a subscription and decide to resubscribe months later, I can still use a discount code, which is brilliant, because normally you can't. Once you've got an account, that's it. You can only have a discount code off your very first box, so that's why I keep on getting the discounts off the boxes. So I'll refer to this as we go along. So let's start with the first product, which is a Chloe Emerald Professional Ice Roller. Ooh. Yes, I remember now from what I've seen. Oh, look. It's an ice roller. Well, it's certainly cold. Oh, I love it. I have a rose quartz facial roller, and I use that. And I'll put that in the fridge. The recommended retail price for this face roller is $26. Enjoy the benefits of professional cold therapy from the comfort of your home or while on the go with this therapeutic beauty essential. Apply to skin, on face or body. For best results, leave your ice roller in the freezer for at least 4 hours prior to use. I love this. Can you hear the noise? I like holding it as well, it feels nice to hold. I don't own one of these, so that's going to go straight in my freezer. No, not my freezer, I've got a little skincare fridge. Okay, next we've got a product by Banter Beauty, and this is a set of 5 under eye masks. Get them out here. It's another thing about this subscription as well. A lot of the brands I've never heard before because it's based in the US, so that excites me as well. So we've got some under eye pads there. This 5-piece under eye mask set has a recommended retail price of $18. Visibly brighten and hydrate the skin around your eyes while reducing puffiness and minimizing the appearance of fine lines, dark circles and wrinkles with a set of 5 single-use under eye masks. Relax and enjoy a spa-like experience while enhancing skin elasticity, tone and density. got 5 masks there. Next, we've got an item of jewellery. This is one of the reasons I decided to go for it, because I can't resist a layered necklace and silver toned one as well. I really like that. I really, really like that. I've had some quite dodgy jewellery from this subscription box before. Not really my taste. I am quite fussy. But anything bohemian, silver, chunky, yeah, I love it. I do really like that. I do really like it. But I bet you anything, even though it's not real silver, I can't imagine it to be, I bet it'll have a really high price tag because the jewellery tends to be really expensive. Celestial Lariat necklace has a retail value of $52. This chic, versatile, silver-plated, long-layered necklace offers an easy-to-wear, stylish look featuring 4-strand layers with a round hammered pendant and a celestial moon charm. Basically what you can see there. There's no way I would pay over $50 for something that was silver-plated. Not really, but I do like it. I am chuffed with that. Next, we got a little candle. I think it's a candle. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little candle. And this is Sunset Park Herbal Honey. Look at that little tin, even though it's a little bit bent. A little bit bent there. Maybe these are seconds or something. Or maybe it's in transit. It has travelled across the world to get to me. But look, I think that is stunning. That is so, so pretty. Oh, the smell is nice as well. I don't know what the scent is. Hopefully it'll tell me. Yeah, look. Oh, I love receiving candles. So the recommended retail price for this candle is $18. This all-natural, slow-burning candle in a decorative tin has a clean and alluring floral and aromatic scent. Doesn't tell me what the scent is, but it's nice. Herbal honey. Herbal honey. So there's that. Next we've got a product by You and Oil. Again, a new brand for me. This is a carrot, broccoli, chia superfood for skin. And there's 30 mils here. Okay. The skin is the surface of my personal planet. It connects me to the world. I want this relationship to be sustainable and vibrant, and I see that You and Oil understands it by combining natural and essential oils with bioactive elements. This feels close to my surface, creating a nourishing relationship with my skin, enables me to experience the world to the fullest. And that's what it looks like there. Reflection of the ring light is bad when it comes to anything in bottles. Oh, it smells nice. It does smell nice. It does smell of food. Some of them can leave your skin feeling really gloopy, and I don't like that, but no, this is not one of them. So the recommended retail price for this oil is $47. This highly nutritive serum made with carrot, broccoli and chia brings together a perfect balance of vitamin A, C and E and fatty acids to help reverse the signs of aging through antioxidants, superfood properties, strengthen the skin's natural barrier to help repair dryness on the skin surface and maintain hydration. We've got a facial oil. Next we've got a product by Volute Currency, and this is grapefruit and cassis. It's cuticle cream. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was a body cream. We got 75. Oh, I cannot wait to open this up and have a sniff. Put a bit there. Oh, look. Oh. There. Just rub it into my cuticles. Oh, it does smell of grapefruit. It's not strong, it's not really overpowering, but it's definitely there. But yeah, no, that's really nice actually. Okay, information about it. The recommended retail price for this cuticle cream is $22. This lush moisturising cuticle cream with antibacterial and moisture retaining properties will leave your skin feeling silky smooth and bursting with vitality. For a deep hydrating experience, massage lotion into hands and fingers, paying close attention to the cuticle area. It's got a cuticle cream. Next we got a product by Pong Cosmetics. I haven't seen this brand for a long time. I am familiar with it, I think through Birchbox maybe, years ago. But this is Rosebud Lips Overnight Conditioning Lip Mask. It's the outer packaging. There. Ooh! I wasn't expecting that. Look! It's red. Ooh! And it's got little bits in it as well. You might not be able to see there. Yeah, they are. They're sort of melting into my hand. Oh, it smells nice. It does smell nice. So it's an overnight lip mask. So the recommended retail price for this lip mask is $24. A leave-on lip mask that works overnight to infuse moisture and suppleness into skin so you wake up with a softer, fuller looking rosebud lips. Formulated with a rich blend of sweet orange oil, shea butter and orange peel wax for longer adherence onto lips in order to combat dry, flaky skin by morning. That is brilliant. Yeah, I really like that. Especially as I'm using tretinoin on my skin at the moment. And I'm trying not to get it close to my lips. You're not really supposed to, but then I've got a lot of scarring around here, which I want to get rid of. So sometimes my lips do feel a little bit dry. So no, I'll use that. 2 items left, and we've got here St. Lux Liquid Glow in pink. That looks really cute. Yeah, it's a little highlighter bottle there. Pink is not what I normally go for. For highlighters, I tend to go for more gold tones. So I can see myself passing that on, really. Unless it'll make a nice sort of eyeshadow shade. Oh, that is pretty though. Let's see. Yeah, that is pretty. That is really pretty. So the recommended retail price for this liquid glow is $24. This concentrated cream glow is a perfect addition to your beauty routine. It can be used as a base for your foundation, mixed in with your foundation, or even by itself for a glowing look. So there's that. And then lastly, we got something to eat. Now there's always been a sweet treat in this box. And I got some brownies. Look at that. I think I've tried this before. I'm sure I've tried this before, maybe in one of these foodie subscription boxes that I've had from the US. A snack crate, I think I had. I think that's what it was. Rich, moist and fudgy chocolate brownies, nut-free with real Belgian chocolates, and there's 2 in there. Now I'm going to save them. So to purchase the pack of brownies, it'll cost you $4. Indulge in these delectable, rich and moist brownies made with real Belgian chocolate and other premium ingredients. Enjoy right out of the packet or follow the heating instructions. Yeah, that would be amazing with a dollop of ice cream on top. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll be back. So we've got a candle by Sunset Park. We've got a St. Lux Liquid Glow. We've got a Jelly Pong Pong Rosebud Lips Lip Mask. We've got a Chloe Emerald Ice Roller. We've got a layered silver necklace set. We've got a Yuan Oil Facial Oil. We've got a Volute Currency Cuticle Cream. And lastly, Banter Beauty under eye masks. I'm really happy with this month's box. As I said earlier on, one of the main reasons I went for this box was because of the necklace. I'd completely forgotten all the other products that are inside there. It's literally a mixture box, isn't it? And do you see what I mean by it? Sort of like a FabFitFun box full of products that you might find in a FabFitFun, but with this box you don't get to choose the products that you want. That's what my thinking is anyway. I think for the price I paid, definitely, which is under £25, including shipping with the discount code, I think it is really, really great value for money. The actual value, which was what, over $200, I do think it is quite extortionate. I do think some of the products are way overpriced, but that could be the difference between living in the US and living in the UK, you know, so there's that to take into account. But it's the products mainly, not so much the value, it's the products and whether I will use them. So yeah, I'm impressed, but whether or not I will keep on subscribing is another thing, so I'm going to wait to see what May box holds. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know your thoughts, and I'd love to hear what you think of this box, if you subscribe to Single Swag, or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is a box for you or not. So please comment down below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.